Alexa, play Shozetsu Dynamic.
Oh.
Final Judgment. The strength of an absolute god. You know him. You love him. The creator of the Zero Mortals plan. Tonight, we're gonna draw Omni King Zamasu. Well, technically, this is what Zamasu looks like wearing the Omni King suit. I never would have realized there'd be a mod like this. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
As I've mentioned on the Omni King's suit and wearers, this is what the Omni King originally wears. You've seen me customize this on many others, such as Frieza and the Jiren Fusion. It's still unimaginable that this god has the capability to rival all others. By the way, if you saw this channel, Rising Fist, you should know about the Hakai Shin of Time and his gambit to rule the cosmos. He plans on asking Zamasu in order to do that. Let's see if we can rival this, Trunks. Alright, here are the stripes. Here's the baggage pants. Alright, so now that we got the upper half finished, let's resume drawing the rest of him. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
We'll start by drawing the rest of his Super Saiyan Rose hair. Well, technically it's white. After the two parts of him fuse into one entity, the Super Saiyan hair turns from rose into a pure white stage. Well, this is what it looks like whole. His signature move is Blades of Judgment. And, well, just ask if that attack was stronger than the last one. I feel like Zamasu came to Trunks' timeline to punish him for changing the past. But that was years ago. Just let the past go, man. How can a Supreme Kai Saiyan, a hybrid, obtain such an omniscient power? But you know, these mods, they can never be understood. It's just a feeling. Anyway, now that Zamasu has his crest up and running, let's draw the one thing that comes with him. As you have noticed, all 12 universes are linked to the Omni God suit as well. Universes from 1 all the way to 12. Did you know that there were 20 universes in total back then? I hear there's gonna be this Kakume war against the previous angels from universes 13 to 18. And, well, and you're not gonna guess who's gonna be leading the war. Well, probably best. Well, I already placed a comment. I already drew her, and you can check it out if you want. Now then, let's draw the rest of the universal stars here. As I shown on Supreme Zeno, all 12 universes are round and have a coil in the middle. There we are. One last thing, and that's this coil here. There he is. That's how you draw Omni King Zamasu from the new Super Dragon Ball Heroes movie. Well, clearly, out of all the mods that I drew, this one, well, I saw it back in 2019, and I don't know how strong these Omni Gods are. Hopefully we'll get to see it in action. This ought to be a cinch. Anyways, that's all for now. Well, you should check out Zeno and his true form. Anyway, if that's all for now, it's Stegosaurus. See you later. Farewell and good night.